Cage fly back the rope and racing. And in front is second by Gobernadora. Chance on the oar, moving up now the outside. Sweet Eliza. And in between horses is entry number 4, Subaru. Passing the winning post. It's now Sharp Cookie. Now from the outside leads the pack by a length, followed now by Substantial Sweet Eliza. Escapo and running by the wheeler is Chance on the aura. And out of straight they travel. Sharp Cookie leads by Sam 2 lengths. It's Sharp Cookie, followed now by Chance on the Oar in second. Escapo running in third alongside Sweet Eliza. Around the outside is Substantial. And down the half mile they travel. Sharp Cookie leads by Sam 3 lengths. Here comes Escapo, Sweet Eliza. Substantial running by the wheel. Chance on the Urano pose. Moving up now to take 6. Down in 7 now is entry number 13. There's Accurisa. And inside the last 600, it's still Sharp Cookie. Leads by Sam 2.5. Inside the last 400, Sharp Cookie leads by Sam 3 lengths now, followed by Sweet Eliza. And running in third, Chance on the oar as they hit the final turn. With Sharp Cookie leads by Sam 5 lengths. Sweet Eliza running in second. Unopposed, big up now to take third. And down in fourth is Gold Asian. And finally, it's all Sharp Cookie. Sweet Eliza, Gold Asian, Unopposed, Accuris, and Substantial for you. Super 6.
Walang photo.
12, 8, 11.
6